Hey there, welcome to Funny Affairs Now, where we take the world's most jaw-dropping headlines and flip them into laugh-out-loud stories. I'm your host, Aaliyah, your guide through the latest news chaos with a twist of comedy. Whether it's politicians in a pickle, courtroom capers, or squatters hosting house parties, we're here to make sense of it all. Get ready to dive into today's funniest affairs and stick around because more madness will always come. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Donald Trump, freshly reelected as the 47th president of the United States, finds himself facing a unique dilemma. His triumphant return to the White House is overshadowed by unresolved legal battles in New York. Both Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg and New York Attorney General Letitia James have made it clear that his status as president does not grant him immunity from the consequences of his actions. Bragg's office argues that the conviction on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records stemming from hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels should stand, regardless of Trump's presidential duties. Meanwhile, AG Letitia James is determined to enforce a $454 million civil fraud judgment tied to Trump's alleged overvaluation of his properties. As Trump's lawyers argue that these cases pose a threat to his presidency, citing Supreme Court precedents on presidential immunity, Bragg offers a creative solution: delay sentencing until after Trump's presidency or impose a sentence that doesn't include jail time. This unprecedented situation sets the stage for a historic legal battle. Unsurprisingly, Trump takes to Truth Social, calling the cases the greatest witch hunt in history and claiming no president has ever been treated so unfairly, not even Nixon, and he got caught. He accuses Bragg and James of using their offices for political theater, labeling them radical Democrats who are trying to undermine his presidency. Trump's legal team escalates the rhetoric, pointing to Hunter Biden's recent presidential pardon as evidence of a double standard. If Hunter can get a pass for his crimes, why not President Trump for protecting the sanctity of marriage, his and other people's? A spokesperson quips in a press conference to audible gasps from the reporters. Meanwhile, supporters stage rallies demanding that Bragg and James drop the hoaxes and restore national unity. Critics counter with slogans like "Justice knows no term limits" and "No president is above the law." As the legal proceedings progress, Trump's attorneys propose an extraordinary compromise: convert the $486 million civil fraud judgment into a patriotic tax credit, suggesting that Trump's business ventures have contributed significantly to the American dream. AG James swiftly rebukes the proposal, stating, "The American dream does not involve inflating property values to cheat banks." Judge Juan Marichon, presiding over the criminal case, finds himself caught in an uncharted legal terrain. Bragg's office floats the idea of adopting the so-called Alabama rule, typically used for deceased defendants, where the conviction remains on record without further legal action. Adding to the circus, Elon Musk offers to create a digital presidential immunity NFT to monetize the situation and help Trump pay off his mounting fines. Meanwhile, Letitia James doubles down on her pursuit of the civil judgment, noting that Trump's appeal is moving forward without any delays caused by his presidency. She declares, "Presidents do not have immunity from lawsuits tied to their personal business dealings. Accountability transcends office." Inside the White House, staff reportedly scrambled to create a legal crisis response team to manage Trump's court appearances alongside state visits and cabinet meetings. Leaked memos reveal a tentative plan for Trump to attend court hearings via a secure Zoom link while conducting press briefings from his motorcade. Will Trump's legal battles outlast his term in office, or will his next Supreme Court nomination bring an unexpected twist? Stay tuned for the next chapter in America's wildest courtroom drama.